Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? I'm feeling extra fancy because I got my hands on a limited edition of the 2009 festive season GHD Gold. OMG. You guys, I am excited. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Ooh, guys. Can I get a drum roll, please? Okay, cut the silliness. This is what this beauty comes in, and then we have instructions and what is it, a return policy. Okay, but check this baby out. She is so luxurious. Can you handle, like, this is leather and this is like a rose gold GHD zipper. And then it has like studs over here, and lo and behold, oh. Guys, I can't deal. Please give me a minute. I know I'm overreacting and I'm being dramatic, but like, just give me a moment. I have wanted a GHD Gold for the longest time, and who knew I'd get the limited edition? Like, Christmas came early, girl. And can we just talk about like the slickness? Look at this. It's a leather imprinted. This is velvet. Okay, let's get into the review. So first of all, the packaging is gorge, 10 out of 10. The casing, like, this is so cute for travel or just to lay in your makeup room, on your makeup table, in your wardrobe somewhere. Like, it is safe. Nothing will happen to this GHD, not even dust, okay? So that's another 10 out of 10. Then you get to the actual, let's take this out. Ooh, and it has a little casing thingamabob. I guess it feels like it's silicone or heat resistant, probably to just keep these two tongs together, safe and like protected against heat if it was still a bit warm when you're packing it, just so that like stuff doesn't melt or anything. And then the cord, no big deal here. And then it has another instruction thingy-majig. So this is the personalized styler importance manual. Fancy. Okay, GHD, okay. Somebody's about to have a good day, good hair every day. Good hair day every day. Okay, so let's continue the review. 2-pin plugs, way better than 3-pins because they're a lot easier to adapt, so that's a plus. The cord is extra long. I think it's 3 meters. Really good if you have like a plug that's really far on the wall somewhere with no extension or no adapters, you're fine. The swivel, you won't get tangled because it'll move with you. It like follows your movements. And ooh, cute, look at this. Like, the color itself is just so luxurious and elegant and slick and chic. It's like a baby pink in a goldeny rosy tone. This is beautiful. So different than the usual obvious black hair iron or hair tools in general. Or else sometimes you have those crazy colors, like they'll have a red or a blue or like a purple, but it's never as slick, you know. And yeah, so okay, so I hear the plates have been improved. With the original, there was only one sensor. With the gold, there is multiple, so heat distribution is better, less passes needed on your hair. The plates are also nice and thick. Well, they're kind of average. I mean, you do get thicker plates, but they're not super thin and they're not super thick either. So that's good. They have improved the design over here. With the original, you have a lot more snagging on this area, but with the platinum, you have that wishbone design, which is slightly superior. So it's really up to you to decide. The platinum has a lot better heat distribution too, so like I think you only need one pass. With this one, probably 2, and with the original 3 or more. So let's plug it on and see, because I hear it makes a lot of cute noises. There we go. So it lets you know that it's on. Okay. It lets you know that it's on. Okay, come on. It's not switching on. Oh, this is a fail. It's not switching on. Okay, I'm gonna have to return this. This is faulty. It's supposed to switch on, have the light on, beep, and then warm up and beep again. And like it's not. Wow, okay. 0 for like not working. I guess that's the end of the review. What else is there? Like, if it's not working. Looks cute, but it's useless. Ooh, it matches my nails. But yeah, this is not what it's supposed to do. I will return this and update you guys on what's happening, because this is weird. Okay, well, thanks for trying to have watched my review. Nothing much here to say or do than to go return this thing and try again next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.